How to access Duolingo's math and music section. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you some new courses that Duolingo have added in certain regions. I'm going to show you how you can access it. First, you need the app to uh, access the courses. So once you open the app, what you can do is tap on the top left corner. So as you can see, I'm learning Japanese right now. So you can tap on it, and here, if your app is updated, it will show you a new course. So if you don't see it here, the new course is Math and Music. It is not available on all regions, so you will have to wait a few months for it to come to your region if you don't have it available. You just have to tap on courses, add course, and here you will see new courses at the top saying it has new courses, that is math and music. So if you see it, you can access it from there. It is unfortunately not available on my region right now, so I will have to wait a few months for it to come on the next update. And that's how you can access the new math and music section on Duolingo. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. I'll see you on the next video.